Welcome back to Money with Sofia, where we turn AI into income and build simple online businesses. If I had to start from zero today, no audience, no followers, no experience, and no money to invest, I would not try 10 different side hustles at once. I would not start a complicated business, and I would not waste weeks trying to make everything perfect. Instead, I would follow one simple plan. I would create one small digital product, sell it for a low price, and use faceless content to get my first buyers. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I would try to make my first $1,000 online from scratch using AI. Let's get into it. The first thing I would do is choose one specific problem to solve. Not a huge problem, not something complicated, just one small problem that people already want help with. For example, how to create content faster, how to save money, how to organize your week, how to start using AI, how to plan meals, or how to create a simple online business. The mistake most beginners make is trying to help everyone. But when you try to help everyone, your message becomes too general. So I would choose one type of person and one specific problem. For example, beginners who want to use AI to create content faster. That is specific enough to build a simple product around. The second thing I would do is create a tiny digital product. I would not create a full course. I would not create a huge ebook. I would create something small, useful, and easy to finish. Something like a prompt pack, a checklist, a mini guide, a content planner, or a simple template. The goal is to create a quick win for the buyer. People love products that save time, remove confusion, or help them take action faster. The third thing I would do is use AI to create the product faster. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini can help brainstorm ideas, create outlines, and write the first draft. Instead of spending weeks trying to create everything from scratch, I would use AI to move faster and organize my ideas. But I would still make the product personal, useful, and easy to understand. AI would not replace my thinking. It would simply help me get started faster. The fourth thing I would do is design the product in Canva. I would keep the design clean and simple. A strong title, easy-to-read pages, clear sections, and practical information. I would not overcomplicate the design. Most people are not buying because your product looks fancy. They are buying because it solves a problem. The fifth thing I would do is price it simply. If I was starting from zero, I would probably price my first product between $9 and $19. Why? Because a low-priced product is easier to sell to a cold audience. If the product is $10, you need 100 sales to make $1,000. If the product is $19, you need around 53 sales. That feels much more realistic than trying to sell something expensive right away. The sixth thing I would do is set up a simple store. I would not spend weeks building a website. I would use a simple platform like Stan Store to upload the product and create a clean checkout page. At this stage, speed matters more than perfection. The goal is to get the product online so people can actually buy it. The seventh thing I would do is create faceless content every day. This is the part that creates attention. And attention is what leads to sales. I would make short, simple videos around the problem my product solves. For example, if my product is an AI prompt pack for content creators, my videos could be 3 AI prompts for better content ideas, how to use AI to plan a week of content, the biggest mistake beginners make with AI, how to create content without showing your face. Each video would give value, build trust, and lead people toward the product. The eighth thing I would do is use one clear call to action. At the end of every video, I would say something simple like, if you want the full prompt pack, check the link below. Or, I made a simple guide to help you get started. You can find it in the link below. Nothing pushy, just clear. People need to know what the next step is. The ninth thing I would do is improve based on results. If one video gets more views, I would make more videos like that. If people ask questions in the comments, I would turn those questions into new content. If people buy the product, I would improve it and maybe create a second version. This is how you grow. Not by guessing forever, but by posting, learning, and improving. Here's the truth. Making your first $1,000 online is not about having the perfect idea. It is about creating something useful and getting it in front of the right people. AI helps you move faster, but consistency is what makes the business work. So if I had to start from zero today, this would be my plan. One specific audience, one small problem, one tiny digital product, one simple store, daily faceless content, and constant improvement. That is exactly how I would try to make my first $1,000 online from scratch. If you want more simple ways to make money with AI, make sure to subscribe. And check the link below for tools and resources to get started.